channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how I did my makeup during the Chaturthi festival. I actually did film this during the festival, but the footage, for some reason, some part of it was corrupted. So I'm refilming it for you guys because so many of y'all, when I posted on Instagram, wanted me to show you how I got the 10-minute quick makeup look. I've been wearing this makeup often whenever I'm in a hurry and I need to go out looking decent enough. So yeah, that's the kind of makeup I have been going for. It's very simple, very easy, and you can use the products that you already have. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, very important thing is to moisturize your base. Use any moisturizing cream that you already have. Make sure to hydrate your under eyes as well. I'm going to use this Clarins face oil. It's now available on Nykaa, which is such a good thing because I was actually very tense because I have been using this constantly and I was worried of running out of it. So I let it sit for about a minute on my face. Next, depending on my dark circle situation, I either go for an orange corrector first, or I've been using this MAC concealer. This is in the shade NW35. It's kind of like a slightly orange undertone kind of a concealer. I don't know how to describe it, but it works really well to hide my under eye circles. Because when I use an orange corrector, I have to be very good with blending all of it well. So this one is like a quick thing to do. Apply a little bit on spots that I have. Then I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade number 6. I'm going to use a generous amount under my eyes, the nose, forehead, on the spots. Don't forget to apply on the neck as well because you don't want it to look very different. I'm using my Dabit sponge from Nykaa Beauty to blend this. So I'm not applying the concealer on my eyelid. I just want to keep it in its natural color. So the next step is one of my favorites because I have been in love with this product lately. It is the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade Samantha. It's a beautiful shade and I've been enjoying using this as my blush. So I'm just going to apply 2 strokes and then blend it with my fingers. It's a very lightweight product and it just adds a beautiful flush of color. Then I'm going to use my Fit Me loose powder. So I'm using the Loreal Brow Artist pencil. It has a spoolie on one end. It's a very pigmented eyebrow product. So I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. I'm also going to apply a little bit of mascara. Next, I'm going to use a highlighter. You can use any highlighter that you have. I currently have the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette, so I'm going to use the highlighter from it. That's it, and the face is done, just the lipstick left. So I'm just going to use some Fix Plus. I'm using the Nice and Spicy Lip Liner by MAC to line my lips. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip shades. This is Rosewood by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Many of you were asking me about my lip shade and this is what I was wearing that day. It's such a beautiful shade. uh, perfect for Indian skin tones, and it's a very nice formula. So guys, this completes the entire look. Wasn't it very quick, simple and easy to do? In fact, I would love to see your recreations on this look, and you can just change the lip color depending on your outfit and you're good to go. So I really enjoy doing this quick look. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family who would like to wear a simple look like this, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye bye.